Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Bhagavad Gita Introduction, Episode 17. If we are saintly, we can lead a simple life. If we are not saintly, we can lead a complex life. Saintly life is a simple life. Who is a saint? Who is a crook? Generally in movies they show two extras teeth for demon. Two extra teeth for demon. It is not like that. It is in the consciousness. It is not external appearance. One may appear very polished, suit, boot, coat. He can be a demon number one. Demon, one who does not follow Vedic scriptures or who does not obey the laws of the Lord. One who obeys the laws of Lord is a devotee. This is the fundamental demarcation. So, with that definition, we have to evaluate ourselves. So, we may be sometimes saints, sometimes or maybe mostly the other side. We don't even know what are the laws of the Lord. Next, what are the laws of the Lord? Fundamental law of the Supreme Lord is to obey one's superiors, with which one elevates one's consciousness. Animals cannot improve their consciousness, but human beings can improve. It is a very important distinction between animal and a human being. Animal continues to live in the same way till it dies. Cat cannot become dog, dog cannot become cow, cow cannot become tiger, and vice versa. Plus, they are bound with certain instincts. They have to continue to live like that. You cannot change. But a human being, by having good association, he can be elevated to any consciousness. This is the difference. Even if you give association to dog, it will not improve. But if you give association to human being, he can improve or he can degrade. Both options are there. Most of the times, human being is not utilizing, especially in Kali Yuga, degrade more. They become like animal in human form. In this way, they are degrading their consciousness by associating with those who are with animalistic consciousness. What is that animalistic consciousness? Ahara nidra bhayamaidunyancha samanyetam pasvi naranam dharmo hiteso hadiko vishesho dharmena hena pasvi samana. So the more and more one is doing, the polished way of these four things remains in animal consciousness. If we see, our research is in polished ways of eat well, sleep well, mate well, defense well. This is the only thing they are trying to make. So because of thinking only in these lines, eat, sleep, mate and defense, over sophisticated in this only, maybe. The consciousness is not improving. consciousness is still in the animal only. They have just some class, modern weaponry. If you see, the human being is also endeavoring in that direction. The consciousness is not getting elevated. Human being is rather becoming an animal. So, on the other hand, human being associates with saint. He becomes a saint. Human being can become pure devotee, so elevated. Then Supreme Lord also wants to serve him. Such a degree one can elevate one's consciousness. So, always be careful. Whom are we associating with the consciousness? Whose consciousness are we are contemplating? That is very important. If we are contemplating a great devotee's consciousness, we develop such consciousness. If we are not contemplating, but we are only contemplating eat better, sleep better, then we are cultivating animal consciousness. Though they are also have that basic needs, but they are not at all, they are not all in all. They are easily accomplished human form of life. That's how Lord designed for animals. They don't have any extra functions. But human being has extra functions. Those are given easily to human beings. So when we associate with sadhu, one's consciousness quickly get elevated. Association of sadhu is mainly through the process of hearing. If we hear his message and imbibe that, follow up similar consciousness. When they are speaking consciousness. They are not speaking the activities. What should be doing? What should not be doing? This. Not only that, they are speaking consciousness. Consciousness means thinking, feeling and willing and love, which we discussed also before. So we have so many feelings through the process of hearing. We receive the feelings a human being. How an elevated person behaves in reverses. Lord Rama, how he responds to reverses. We see his elevated consciousness. He should not retaliate. He was very equanimous. He was equipoised. Rather, he was respectful Kaikeyi, that Kaikeyi, his stepmother. He did not show anger on her. This is the consciousness of a elevated personality. By studying Ramayana, one develops such consciousness. By remembering Rama, one can actually develop such consciousness. In the face of which we discussed, everyone faces difficulties, however great one may be, unavoidable. So they come here in this world, they face these difficulties, they show how to face the difficulties. So that's why these are very important lessons. They are not mythological stories. Every day we are going to face so many reverses. Every day we are going to face so many temptations, so many obstacles, so many reverses, so many criticisms. How they all faced this. That's why these stories could be carefully studied. Their consciousness should be carefully heard from a person who understands. If we can understand their consciousness, then we can easily imbibe their consciousness and elevate our consciousness. We can behave the way better than the way we behave. Otherwise, we respond to the situation in better manner. So Bhagavad Gita also talks about the consciousness of a personality. How the elevated person's consciousness is. Lord speaks about consciousness on different headings in Bhagavad Gita. Human being consciousness studies in another way. Say, Human being have that opportunity. Elevate one's consciousness by hearing the consciousness of elevated personality, associating with it, meditating on it. In this way, one develops such consciousness. This is this episode. I will continue in next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण।